Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, as you can see, we're here, and I think you know where the video is going. Okay, 1 second. I hope this is good pen. I have no idea. Okay, I'm just going to use that. So here is the corn oil. Oh, don't come up that way. And this is my cat. Okay. Yeah, okay. What is this? I want to cook something today. I guess I'll cook egg. Give me one moment. Okay, I got the egg. Now, I'll just use it. What's this? The sauce. Okay, we need to find the oil. What is this? Vinegar. Okay, I guess we'll use corn oil. Wait, give me 1 second. I'm back. My mom told me I can use corn oil, so here goes nothing. But why is it so hard to... Give me 1 second. Scissors. You can't open this with scissors? What can open it? Oh my gosh. How do you open this? Okay, finally. Corn oil is being opened. It's being unraveled, right? Bruh. Real pain. Okay. Pain and start. Done. Throw it in it. Don't eat the egg. Okay. No! Okay. Let's put some corn oil on the stove. What the hell is this? Huh? If you guys have any idea what this is, please comment down below. It was like right here, like in there. Yeah, you get the point. Yeah, somewhere there. Okay. You just... Huh? Oh, okay. Don't come close. Why? Stop! You will get boiled. No, please stop coming up here. Why? It's going to be so hot. Okay, naughty little cat. He wanted to become cook egg. Okay, let's put the oil on the stove. That's about good. Let's close it up. Let's heat up the stove. I hope he doesn't jump up. Why is it not working? Should be on. Finally. Okay, now we let it sit here for 1 minute. So while that 1 minute, let's talk some jokes. Okay. Why did the egg go on the stove? You don't know? Because it wanted to be cooked. I have no idea why I did that joke. Okay. Okay. I'll take this chair. Okay, what joke should I do next? Why did the robot cross the road? Because it was controlled by the chicken. Yeah. Why is the stove on? Because the egg turned it on. Okay. Is that hot enough? So. And while I do this, I need to get the spatula. Where the spatula? Is it here? Spatula, come out, whatever you want. No, not there. Is it here? Not the correct spatula. Oh, here. Let's go. We got the spatula. And we're cooking with the pan. Is it hot enough? Okay, yes. No more jokes. Egg looks good enough. I need to wash my hands. Okay, now. Oh my gosh, it's cooking fast. Should I pop the thing? Yes or no? No? Okay. Oh, the egg looks super yummy. Yeah. Okay. I hope it doesn't. Oh, no! It's stuck on to the spatula. But I need to flip this egg. Can you guys give me some space? Okay, I don't care of the beauty anymore. This is the best I can do. The yolk is popped. Bruh! This is so hard. I think like I need a second spatula. I'll use a fork. Okay. Flip it. Ooh, it looks very yummy. I'm gonna take off all the remainings of egg here. Oh, it sounds delicious. I should probably put this back. Okay. Oh my god. We're good? Okay. What is it? Oh, stuck to the stove. I should put it on another plate. Yeah, this is working better. Now it won't stick onto something. How does it look? Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, we didn't want to make an omelet. Okay, the middle's just there. Okay. Oh my god, the stove's hot. Okay, let's get a plate that we're putting our egg on. It looks messed up, but it still looks sort of yummy. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whee! The egg looks good. We're done. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah. Do you think that was supposed to happen? I don't think so. Okay, we'll just leave that water there. Yeah, so, oh my god, the egg's hot. This is the final product. If you like it, please subscribe because, yeah. Okay, I think that's good. See ya. Oh my gosh, no, that was so close. Oh my god, see ya.